After 6 exciting years, it's the time to wrap up the ARC Industrial Transformation Training Center for Joint Biomechanics and evaluate our vision to become a leading global joint biomechanical research facility focusing on human shoulders. Through the research and the development in the center, we have aimed to create real impact in 3 main areas.
The initial concept of the centre grew out of a working group. It was YT, Peter, Ashish, Ken and myself. I remember Ashish standing out as a clear visionary in this particular area. He's really passionate, as was Ken, about having that sort of clinical research environment that was developed.
Before we started, there was no single dedicated shoulder research facility of this kind in the world. And I'm very proud to see that we were able to create something at such a large scale and purely focus on the various aspects of shoulder surgery and shoulder research.
My life is about treating patients and helping them get the best outcomes for their shoulder problems. And research is an essential part of that process.
A priority has been to advance biomechanics research and develop transformational technologies that improve patient care and enhance the global competitiveness of the Australian orthopedic industry. Some of the highlights for me in terms of education are the graduation of our HDR students. In terms of research, one of the highlights has been the development of digital twin simulation technologies for the shoulder joint. Utilizing this technology will be game-changing for surgical planning. This has put us on stage as one of the leaders in joint biomechanics and led to continuing collaboration with medtech industry and innovators.
It has been equally important to deliver academically. Over the time of the center, we have published over 100 articles, presented at over 100 conferences, and poster presentations. We have also engaged with industry partners and arranged workshops, visitors, and internship for our PhD students.
The one factor I think has really stood out is it's created a unique training environment embedded within a multidisciplinary approach to the development and implementation of technologies and practices that ensure a person or patient-centered approach to treatment and rehabilitation. I think that's the key thing for the centre.
I think we all recognise that if you want meaningful advances in orthopaedic research, you need to have a mind towards industry collaboration and implementation. Industry brings the pathway to scale and implement these innovations, while academia provides the rigour and curiosity to push the boundaries. The result is a truly translational environment where ideas don't just stay in journals, but actually translate into clinicians improving patient outcomes.
We have actively brought together industry, academic experts, and clinical end users to conduct high-quality, translation-focused research in shoulder joint. This approach has benefited both healthcare professionals and patients suffering from shoulder injuries. These partnerships have been crucial to formulate research questions, make connections with clinicians, and bring the commercial medtech perspective.
I've been working in motion capture for 15 years, and what's really impressed me about the centre is the collaboration, how engineers, professors, physicians have all come together with one collaborative idea and worked together.
One of my biggest accomplishments so far is incorporating these advanced technologies in a clinical setting, combining the research here at QUT with my professional experience as a physio at Queensland Orthopaedic Clinic to better inform our decisions as clinicians. This research has the potential to inform clinical tools, assessments and rehab choices to ultimately improve patient outcomes when it comes to their shoulder.
I think not only have we achieved our target of improving the quality of life of Australians or patients globally with shoulder problems, but also have been able to train the next generation of engineers which will carry out this legacy and keep improving shoulder care globally.
Our third mission was to transform and translate biomechanical education by collaborating across multiple sectors and industries. We have had over 20 PhD graduates from the center and thereby developed future leaders within the field.
One of the achievements I'm very proud of was becoming the first PhD student of the center, moving into the industry. And this was only a consequence of the amazing opportunity the center provides to all the students. Today, I'm a senior biomedical engineer at Acuna.
Working with the ARC Training Center for Joint Biomechanics has been immensely rewarding and shaped my career by providing excellent training, mentorship from a multidisciplinary team, as well as providing exposure to leading researchers, clinicians, and industry partners. And ultimately, I am contributing to a future where musculoskeletal care is more data-driven, predictive, and tailored to individual needs.
I would like to thank the ARC, all our industry partners, our CIs, students and collaborators that supported us throughout this training center.
We work collaboratively to deliver significant high-impact outcomes and position Australia as a global leader in the field.
I think we did it.
I think you should be also record. Yes, seriously.